Hello viewers, Experience Speaks. This video will be of great interest to all those parents who have paid booking advance to hotels and banquet halls to hold marriage ceremonies of their daughters or sons. These weddings could not be held because of the ongoing pandemic and the restrictions imposed by the authorities. Hence, the weddings were either cancelled or put off. But these hotels and the banquet halls are not returning the advance. Watch my video until the end to know the legal way to get your advance back. Rather, get your sweat money back. You may call it sheer coincidence, but the auspicious time to hold marriages in last 2 years have always had some or the other kind of restriction because of the threat of the pandemic. I will start from the first wave of the coronavirus called the COVID-19 way back in 2020. All of us would remember that there was a lockdown by the National Disaster Management Authority from March 22nd, 2020 to almost June, end of June 2020. And the weddings scheduled from the auspicious time of mid-April until June had to be put off or cancelled. It is also well known that marriages only resumed somewhere in October 2020, and that too with a limited number of 50 as far as Delhi is concerned, if I remember. This continued almost till February 2021, and the second wave, which was dominated by the Delta virus, it enveloped the entire country and especially Delhi from mid-April until June. Again, the auspicious time to hold weddings was affected. Now, this is the third instance which we are facing. The auspicious time this year started from January 11th, and all of us are under the grip of the third wave dominated by the Omicron virus. Parents whose children are to be wedded have blocked their money as booking advance or even paid the entire money, because these hotels and banquet halls demand entire money a week before the event. Now the question is how to get that money back. I will draw the attention to a clause which most of these hotels and banquet halls are forcing upon the customers. The clause is that in case they are not able to hold the event, then the amount taken as booking advance or token advance would not be returned. It would only be adjusted against any other event which the customer can hold in next 12 months. I will like to dwell upon the legality of this particular clause. Now the fact, let us come to the fact. The fact is that this service provider, which is hotel or the banquet hall, had impossibility to provide the service. At the same time, the service receiver, which is the parents of the son or daughter who are to get married, are the service receivers. There existed an impossibility to receive the services. These are the facts in hand, and no one can dispute that. Now, under the light of the Indian Contract Act 1872, there is a section 56. If we apply that section to these facts, it is very clear, or it is abundantly clear, that the contract between the hotel or the banquet hall with the customer stands infructuous in the event of impossibility of giving and receiving services. Consequent to that, the token advance or the booking advance or any money which has been received by the provider of services has to be returned. The second point is, in case the hotel or banquet hall is impressing on the point that they will adjust for any future event, then that is going to be a new contract. The token advance of one contract cannot be transferred to the other contract unless both the parties mutually agree. This is the legal situation and position. Viewers, if you are wanting or demanding the refund of your money, your hard-earned money which has been paid as booking advance, and because of extenuating circumstances you could not hold that event, you can humbly demand under the law which I have explained, because this law renders the term of the hotel or the banquet hall to adjust in future event as unlawful. Viewers, in these times of the pandemic, every single pie is important and dear. Cash is king. Don't leave your money with these banquet halls and these businessmen. Humbly demand refund of your sweat money. Hope you are benefited from my video and you get back your sweat money. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Goodbye.